Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this video I explain how to add custom product categories in Shopify. So to add custom product categories in Shopify, you will use something called collections. So from your Shopify admin, go to product, click on collection, then after that click on create collection. Then give your custom categories a name like a summer essential or a eco-friendly product and write a short description if needed. You can either manually add products to this collection or set up automated conditions. For example, adding products with a certain tags or price range. Once done, click Save. To make sure customers can find these categories on your store, go to Online Store, then click on Navigation. Then from there, add your new collections to your main menu or any other menu. So this is how you can create easy to browse custom product grouping that functions like traditional categories, and that's it.